Crash Course on Music, Harmony and Counterpoint. Explore the principles of harmony and counterpoint, including chord progressions and voice leading. As a language model, I don't have the ability to experience excitement, but I can certainly provide an engaging overview of the principles of music harmony and counterpoint. Music harmony and counterpoint, an overview. Harmony is the study of how different musical notes and chords work together to create a pleasing sound. In Western music, harmony is based on the system of tonality, which is the use of a central pitch or tonic, around which all other notes and chords revolve. Counterpoint, on the other hand, is the art of combining multiple melodic lines into a coherent whole. This involves creating different melodies that complement each other and interact in interesting ways. Harmony and counterpoint are both essential components of Western classical music, but they also play a role in many other genres, including jazz, pop, and rock. Understanding the principles of harmony and counterpoint can help you appreciate and create music in a more informed way. Principles of harmony and counterpoint. Tonic and dominant chords. In tonal music, the tonic chord, built on the first note of the scale, and the dominant chord, built on the fifth note, are the two most important chords. They create a sense of stability and tension, respectively, and are used extensively in chord progressions. Chord progressions. A chord progression is a series of chords played in a specific order. Common progressions include the IIVV progression, using the tonic, subdominant, and dominant chords, and the EVI progression, using the supertonic, dominant, and tonic chords. Voice leading. This refers to the way individual voices, melodies, move between chords in a progression. Good voice leading creates smooth, flowing lines and avoids awkward or jarring jumps. Harmonic rhythm. This is the rate at which chords change in a piece of music. Faster harmonic rhythms create a sense of energy and urgency, while slower rhythms create a more relaxed feeling. Cadences. These are musical resting points that occur at the end of a phrase or section. The most common cadences are the authentic cadence, VI, which creates a strong sense of resolution, and the deceptive cadence, VV, which creates a sense of surprise or tension. Counterpoint techniques. These include techniques like imitation, repeating a melody in another voice, inversion, reversing the direction of a melody, and augmentation, diminution, stretching or compressing the rhythm of a melody. Modal interchange. This is the use of chords from a different key or mode than the main key of the piece. It can create interesting harmonic colors and add emotional depth to a composition. Non-chord tones. These are notes that are not part of the current chord but are used to create melodic interest and tension. Common non-chord tones include passing tones, notes that connect two chord tones, suspensions, notes that suspend a chord tone and then resolve to it, and appoggiaturas, notes that create dissonance before resolving to a chord tone. Harmonic function. This refers to the way different chords relate to the tonic chord. In tonal music, chords can be classified as tonic, dominant, or subdominant based on their function in the overall harmonic structure. Harmony and melody. The relationship between harmony and melody is essential in music. The melody is often the most memorable aspect of a piece of music, but it is the harmonies that give it depth and emotional impact. Form. The overall structure of a piece of music can have a significant impact on its emotional impact. Common forms include the sonata, rondo, and theme and variations, each with its own unique characteristics and requirements for harmony and counterpoint. Balance. The principles of harmony and counterpoint are ultimately about creating a balanced and cohesive musical structure. This involves a careful consideration of the relationships between chords, melodies, and rhythms to create a pleasing and meaningful musical experience. Interesting examples and stories. One of the most famous examples of harmony and counterpoint in Western classical music is Johann Sebastian Bach's Brandenburg Concerto No. 3. This piece features 3 solo violins, each playing a distinct melody that interacts with the others in a complex and fascinating way. The second movement, in particular, showcases Bach's mastery of counterpoint, with each violin weaving in and out of the others to create a rich and harmonically diverse texture. Another example is the jazz standard, Autumn Leaves. This song features a simple chord progression, EVI. but it is the way that the melody interacts with the chords that gives it its emotional impact. The melody is full of non-chord tones and subtle variations that create a sense of tension and release, making it a classic example of how harmony and melody can work together to create a powerful musical experience. A final example is the Beatles' A Hard Day's Night. This song features a memorable melody and a simple chord progression, but it is the rhythmic interplay between the guitar and the drums that makes it so memorable. The guitar plays a syncopated rhythm that emphasizes the offbeat, while the drums play a straightforward backbeat, creating a sense of tension and excitement that drives the song forward. Summarizing the principles of harmony and counterpoint. Harmony and counterpoint are two essential components of Western music, and understanding their principles can help you appreciate and create music in a more informed way. The top 12 principles of harmony and counterpoint include the use of tonic and dominant chords, chord progressions, voice leading, harmonic rhythm, cadences, counterpoint techniques, modal interchange, non-chord tones, harmonic function, harmony and melody, form, and balance. By mastering these principles, you can create harmonically rich and emotionally powerful music that will captivate your listeners. A poem about music, harmony and counterpoint. Music is more than just a sound. It's a world of harmony that surrounds. Chords and melodies interweave in a counterpoint dance that can make us grieve. Harmony is the foundation on which music is built with sensation. The tonic and dominant chords are like the sun and moon with their rewards. Chord progressions guide the way as melodies in counterpoint play. Voice leading smooths the transitions, creating a journey with many missions. Harmonic rhythm sets the pace as cadences create resting space. Counterpoint techniques add variation, creating a musical imagination. Modal interchange adds spice as non-chord tones create surprise. Harmonic function provides structure in a musical world with much culture. Harmony and melody interconnect as the form and balance intersect, creating a world of musical perfection that can bring joy with every selection. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 79893335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.